75.
Oh, blessing, blessing, blessing for you.
I'm here talking with some friends of mine that I met along the way here. We're having a good chat and everything here. So it's good. The weather's nice, no rain, even though it's a rainy season. But yeah, it's nice. This is a chapel here that they have. It's very nice, nicely set up. And very good. All right. New structures going up here. They got another one here. It's going up, and it's very nice. They got flowers along the pathway here, and all kinds of tropical trees.
Do you experience the same climate, warm and hot like this one?
Well, where I am, it's the opposite because now it's winter time where I am. But in the summertime, it can get hot. Yeah, same as this. Yeah, hot. Yeah. But yeah, summertime. Wintertime, sometimes get snow. A little bit of snow maybe. So. Well, we're about to leave the island. I had a nice tour there. Everybody was very friendly. And we're heading back to the ship here.
Well, yeah, they are going back now. Yeah, I'm staying here for a moment, but they are going back.
I want to shake hands with you.
She wants to shake your hand because you're
Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for having us here. We appreciate it there. It's very nice.
Take care.
Bringing in some sugar and flour or something.
I love how, yeah.
Oh my God, the morning is so clear.
Yeah, so clean. Hey.